Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Silver Moon Cat, and today I'm really excited because I have with me the unboxing of one of my most beloved decks. Ta-da! The Druidcraft Tarot. This is by Philip and Stephanie Cargom and it has been illustrated by the very talented Will Worthington. Without further ado, I'm just gonna dive in. This deck has been on my wish list ever since I saw it, and I must admit that the artwork completely blew me away actually when I saw it, and it did intimidate me as well when I first saw it because it's huge. And yes, this deck comes in a small box as well. The guidebook for that I believe is around 80 pages. But I wanted the larger box. I wanted the big guidebook. I love big guidebooks. I love books actually. So this is the big box. This is the front of the box. That's the Empress card of the deck. This is the back of the box. As you can clearly see over here, it says the guidebook is 192 pages. I waited on Amazon till I could, get it at a reasonable price. Oh, and this deck has been published by Saint Martin's Press. Okay, so the box opens up like this. Yeah. Have to lift up the lid. Inside we have the guidebook. And I will do a separate video on this book for sure. It's around, oh yeah, it's 192 pages. Ugh. It's the table of contents. It's a very lovely book. I mean, I guess all the aces are together, all the sixes are together. Basically it's a very well written book, and I will do a separate video on this, promise. Now to the lovely cards. Look at them. Oof. This is the back of the deck, and this deck is quite something. These cards are large, very large. I can't believe I'm holding the Druidcraft in my hand. All right, breathe. Okay, so this is a very large deck. This is the back of the deck. And now let's dive into the cards. So the cards, well, they are in order, but they begin with the minor arcana. I want to show the major arcana first, so I'm going to, give me a second. Yeah, okay. There. Always good to begin with the major arcana. Okay, and so here it is. The Fool. The Magician. The High Priestess. Whenever I saw this card, I always had a very mixed reaction to it. She is clearly in her full element. High Priestess. So the Empress becomes the lady. It's the same pic on the box. Very pretty. The Emperor becomes the Lord. He does look very overpowering and so authoritative. Very expressive deck. The High Priest. So the Hierophant becomes the High Priest. The Lovers. It's a very beautiful card. I loved it. The Chariot. It's interesting to see a lady in this card. At least she looks like a lady. Strength. The Hermit. So the Wheel of Fortune becomes the Wheel. Justice. I'm loving that owl over there. The Hanged Man. Death. Very interesting. Death. This is Temperance, but I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm sorry guys. This is Temperance, but they've changed the name here, so it's Fairy. Okay, this is the Devil, and it's called Cernunos. Sorry about butchering the names, but these are very alien names to me. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Very nice. So Judgment becomes Rebirth. Very interesting take on Judgment actually. And the last card of the major arcana, the World. Now we move on to the minors. I still can't believe I'm holding the Druidcraft in my hands. Okay. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. It's interesting that there are no people in this card. Otherwise, normally there's like a couple of people there. Five of Wands. This guy doesn't give a damn about what's going on over here. He just wants to eat. I like that. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. So the quotes have also been renamed a little bit. So the page becomes Princess of Wands. Knight becomes Prince. So Prince of Wands. Queen of Wands. And thank you for including a cat over here. I don't like cards which don't have the feline figure at the bottom of her feet. So Queen of Wands, very well done, thank you very much. And King of Wands. Alright, now we have the Suit of Cups. So Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, so pretty, Three of Cups, Four of Cups, Five of Cups, Six of Cups. This card is going like, it's so cute, and it has me going, oh, AWWW. Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups. Very nice, very nice. And hey, I just noticed that the cups are different in some of the cards. Like here they are more earthenware, here they are like chalices. So yeah, cute. Princess of Cups, Prince of Cups. I like this prince. I like that moon. Oh wow. Queen of Cups. I love this card, and I love the moon, and then the light, the shadow. I mean, the reflection of the moon in the water. Very pretty, very pretty. Queen of Cups that was. King of Cups. Okay, we move on to the Suit of Swords. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. See how expressive their faces are. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. This is a very interesting take on this card, because normally we see a figure running away. Here he's clearly in deep thought writing something. Okay, I have to see what the book says. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. And Ten of Swords. And I'm so happy about one thing, that the sky is bright, like it's not like nighttime. That's the only, I think, positive thing I can see in the sky. Princess of Swords, Prince of Swords, Queen of Swords, and King of Swords. Now the final suit of the Minor Arcana, the Pentacles. Oh my God, it's beautiful. The Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles. I wish that there was somebody else also in this card, because normally there are two figures in the Five of Pentacles. So yeah, but it's a beautiful card nonetheless. Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles. Princess of Pentacles. She's like, Prince of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and lastly, King of Pentacles. So this is the Druidcraft Tarot. It's a lovely, lovely deck. And I'm just going to pause the video for a second because I want to compare the size of this with a normal tarot deck. Just hold on. Okay, so this is the Druidcraft, yeah? And on this side I have the Golden Universal, and you all can see these are really large cards. So for anyone who was curious about the size and about how it is versus a normal sized card. So anyway, I love this deck. I love this deck. I am definitely going to trim it. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you all are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you all have liked this video, please hit that like button. And God bless you all. Have a wonderful day.